Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Let's dive right into our word of the day, which is August. August is a simple and essential word to know because it's the name of the 8th month of the year. It's great for beginners learning English because it's used all the time when talking about dates, plans, and the seasons. Let's break it down. August is a noun, and as I mentioned, it refers to the 8th month in the calendar year. It comes right after July and before September. You'll hear it all the time when people talk about summer vacations, back-to-school preparations, and seasonal events. For example, someone might say, "I'm planning a beach trip in August," or "School usually starts at the end of August." Now, let's talk about some related words. A synonym for August, in a calendar sense, doesn't really exist since it's a specific name, but you might hear phrases like late summer or midsummer, depending on the context. For instance, you could say, "We love spending late summer evenings in August." On the flip side, there aren't true antonyms for August since it's the name of a month, but you might contrast it with months from other seasons. For example, you might say, "I prefer skiing in December to the hot weather in August." In everyday life, August comes up a lot when talking about schedules. You might hear things like, "The concert is happening on August 10th," or "We're taking a break from work in August." It's also common when talking about seasons, like, "August is the hottest month in many places." Let me give you a few more examples of August in sentences to help solidify its meaning. Our family reunion is always in August. The farmer's market has the freshest produce in August. Many schools reopen in August after the summer break. And that's it for today's word. We've learned that August is the name of the 8th month, talked about its role in our everyday conversations, and shared examples to help you use it with confidence. Thank you so much for listening, and if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you, so why not create your own sentence using August and share it in the comments? I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.